Hello, I would like to introduce the new improvement of OKMindMap. This service is on the beta test. You can access this site on this address here, but this address here is kind of difficult to remember. So probably you can access this address using this shortcut key. Either you can, when you logged in current OKMindMap system, in the notice you can link to the new service beta test site here by that way, or either on the first page of the OKMindMap here you can access this service clicking the link of the first mind map. The major improvement of this version is to increase the speed, because we changed it from the WM, the Java-based technology, to Node.js. We expect it to be faster by 10 times. And we also provide apps for Windows application, and also Android and iOS apps are developed for the service. You can link to the IoT easily with the mind map as a node. So you can link to the camera and the sensor data directly apply to the specific node of a specific mind map. And this also Moodle, there is also Moodle integration with the mind map. So in the one mind map, you can connect to the one Moodle course, and you can create the node as a Moodle activity easily. So if you have any opinion about the improvement of this beta test, you can leave it to your opinion, the help. You can access the help using here, like help, and down here, so Q&A, and you can create a new post to leave your valuable notice, valuable ideas on the post. The new GUI is actually the individual functionality is very similar to the old OKMindMap service, but in the new GUI, probably you can hide the menu and make it appear here. And this is a menu. When you click this one, you can see the detail menu function down here. And for usual case, you can just zoom in, zoom out, and zoom in, and back to normal size. In the individual mind map menu, probably this one is about the file menu here. So if you click that one, probably you can find the individual menu down here. So according to the file management and those kind of things like new, open, and import and export, save as, and timeline, embedded information, and Facebook information about this mind map. Related to this mind map, you can access from down here. App style, I can select many different kind of mind map style from there very easily. Project style, and back to normal mind map node here. Alright, so this is about settings of mind map. So you can branch the map from the node and rename the map, and delete and share maps, and group management, and settings, and activities, and edit restriction. The individual menu function are very similar to the old one. And here you can see the Moodle. If you have authority, you can create a new course which is related to with this mind map in the back end, and you can synchronize the creation of activities here and there in the Moodle. You can also manage the enrollment, synchronize the enrollment of the users for this map and Moodle in the back end. And this one over here is a simpler, easy access. So this will bring you the homepage of OKMindMap, and this will bring you the share. And this one brings you the presentation mode, like a show and edit. You can access that one directly from here. And this is opening the mind map. So here you can see it as thumbnails, or either you can see it as a list like this. And this one is a help, which is exactly the same with the old OKMindMap service. So it's pretty simple. You can focus using menu on the left and on the right and the left. And when you click the node, actually the node editing menus coming out down here. We are trying to customize, make it possible for you to customize this menu for individual node editing. Also, when you click the background, probably you can change the properties of the changing background properties. Also, that the whole background is related to the chatting, so you can bring the chattings up and in and out, and also Google search in and out. Okay, so you can change the color of the background. So it's simple. So click background will bring you the menu related to the background, and click menu will bring up the menus which is related to node manipulation. And the overall menu is here and in the right, and here in the left. So with that thing on your mind, probably one thing that this beta test will last for 1 or 2 months. And after that, your old users and mind maps probably will be migrated to this new service. Meanwhile, it is not possible for you to bring the old maps you are using. So I would like to suggest that you sign up for the new service like the old way you did it in the previous one. Also, we provided you with a sign up function. Sign up for Kakao, and ignore these Moodle things because it needs the Moodle integration later. So you can either sign up for using KakaoTalk or sign in with a conventional way. But you have to make a new account, and after that, I recommend you to bring export and import the old maps. Meanwhile, we are migrating it later on the new service when the new service begins. After once you sign up, and you can sign in, and using the password and ID you made, and you can start using the new service. And from here, probably you might need the old mind map, and the way you can do that from the old mind map, you can go down there and find the map you like to export, and from here you can export as a pre-mind, and it will download. In the download folder, you can download the MM file there, and you come back to new service, and here probably you can import file and import here, and you also mind map, and you can click the MM file you just downloaded, and you can open it and apply it, and you will bring the old map like this way. And the new site is pretty faster, even though the server specification is lower than the new old site, but it's very fast. As you can see here, it brings without any problem the old mind map into the new system. Okay, so with that you can enjoy the various function of the new mind map, OK mind map, and enjoy it. And I really like to have your opinion about the usability. Thank you very much.